I don't know. Today also something has come. Something has come. Hi, welcome. I don't know. Nowadays it is coming in a regular intervals. I don't know. The concept which has come to me today is world, universe. What is world? Have you ever thought about that? Probably your world may be, there is a you first of all. You are sitting in that body. You are sitting in some space somewhere, US or UK or India, wherever, Japan, China. And there is a time, maybe it's night, day, and there is a big universe there, solar systems, stars. If you ask the astronomy fellows, they will tell you huge universe, huge world. And we are all living in that world. Have you ever thought, is it true? According to you, there is only one world, one universe. At least there you will agree oneness, I think. You will not say there is another universe. It is indirectly, it is giving you a hint of unity and oneness. I don't think any one of you will tell there is, two universe, two world. So at least there you will have to agree with me that there is oneness. There is only one universe. However huge, however large, or however fantabulous, or whatever, it's only one. There is no two. That is the basic message I wanted to convey. And it's very simple. Every experience, everything will tell you there is no two, there is no separation. The last video I asked what is life. You would have gone to the dictionary. Dictionary would have told you that there is something that distinguishes between inorganic and organic. That is, there is life for plants and animals, others are not having life. What a nonsense it is. There are plants which are 99.99% water. It's only water only. It's doing reproduction, everything. Even cells are reproducing. See, even your own body, what is it? I already told in one of my videos. It's only oxygen, nitrogen, potassium, calcium, calcium, and all. I am using your own science. I am not creating anything. I don't know anything. Understand what I'm talking about? And this nitrogen, oxygen, and all those things, are they organic? When you talk about an animal, what you are talking, you are saying, you are referring to the body of the animal. What is that body of the animal? Same thing, nitrogen, oxygen. In one of my videos, I told you, you came with 2 kg, now you are 80 kg, 78 kg, where from you got from the same inorganic substance. Your belief systems will fail you, my dear. You'll have to change your framework. So I am again digressing. This is my problem. If I start talking about something, it goes like in India we call it gomutra. It goes, it's a cow's urine. It goes to different directions. It's okay. So the point was, what is world? What is universe? So your idea is there is only one universe, there is only one world. But to your surprise, you will be surprised to know it is not one world. It is trillions and trillions and trillions of world. There is no single world. My world is different. You do not know where I am living. This external world doesn't have any value. There is no external world. What is that external world you are creating? There is oxygen, nitrogen, potassium inside your body. Outside also same thing. And you think there is a space. That space is not empty. It is full of objects. If you see, the air around you are having more objects than what is inside your body. Again, science. I am not saying science. There is no space there. Everything is filled with objects. Carbon, nitrogen, nitrogen, hydrogen. You have made names, but the fact is that indirectly your science is also telling that there is no separation. You created separation at your skin. You say the air outside your skin is not you, but the air you take is you. Now, where is the separation between the air you take and it going inside and the air outside? Whatever you have taken, it is taken from this earth, so-called earth. You are part of that earth. There is no difference. I think in Christian tradition they say you are earth only, you are only soil. Nothing more than that. So again I digressed. So what is world? That is the question. So you believe that there is only one world and we are all living there, separate beings roaming around. There are dinosaurs, there are tigers, there are mosquitoes, there are politicians, there are engineers, there are universities, there are countries. I don't know. The fertile brain will create any number of things. But if you really think it's all nitrogen, oxygen, it's all a flux. One single flux. Again, that is science. It's not my thing. I am not telling anything. For me, there is no flux, there is nothing. So, it's not in a single world or single universe. Even that is also nonsense. There is not even single world also. I told you only to, understand the unity. In unity, there is no you, there is no me, there is no knowledge, there is no diet. A simple, straightforward. So simple, so simple. Even using your science, you can understand. That is the beauty of it. So, each one of us are living in different worlds. It's obvious, na? Whatever I am telling, you are not believing, you cannot digest that. So, you are living in a different world. I am in India, you are in some other country or some other state or some other district. So for you, it's all different. You are in a different world. Your climate is different. Your temperature is different. So each one of us are living in a different world created by our own mind. Like that, each one of the donkeys, each one of the monkeys, each one of the mosquitoes, each one of the elephants, each one of all living beings, plants, flora, entire flora and fauna. You take the number of the entire flora and fauna. Again, it is science. Entire flora and fauna, how many of them are? Can be trillions and trillions. So, this is not a common world, as environmentalists say. We are environmentalists, that is another profession. Those fellows, they don't know what they call now land or sea one day. What they call, earth was a star one day. Again, I am using science. Environmentalism is a profession, making money only. Everything is making money only. So people are after money only. From barber to your nuclear scientist, all are into the business of making money. There is no much difference between them. I see even barber and even a beggar on the road and the president of the highest powerful country also same. There's no difference. There is only a difference in scale. This fellow will get only 1 rupee, 2 rupee, $1, $2. That fellow will make it. They are all one. There is no difference. They all live in their own world. You can never understand. Even see, if you are married and if you were living with your wife or children or your friend or somebody for decades, you will not know in which world he is living. I am reminded of a story. I am from Kerala. And one of Malayali fellows, so many Malayalis are there in Gulf. Malayali, Kerala has become, rich by migrating to Gulf for the last 20, 30 years. Again, that is a story only to make you the point clear. So one of these fellow, he became very close to one Arab rich businessman. He worked there 20, 30 years, and that Arab fellows are again story. It's only a story to remind you, to make the point clear. So that Arab fellow, he believed him completely, and after 30 years of service with that fellow, that Arab, this fellow killed that Arab and taken out all money, all gold and all that, and he has come back to Kerala. Some story, maybe it is wrong, but such kind of story, maybe it is wrong also. I do not have any authentic. Tomorrow you should not ask me evidence. Who is this Malayali? Who is that Arab? It's only a point, See, leave alone Arab and that Malayali. Even your wife will not know what is her inside her mind. You cannot understand. She is living in her own life. In her own world. So, my dear friend, change your framework. There is no single world. There are trillions and trillions of worlds. Each plant, each animal, it's not even common. You think all humans have got a common world? No. You go to Andaman forest and ask about world, you will say. No, Amazon forest. You go to Amazon forest and ask the people there. Amazon forest you have destroyed. Okay, still there will be some people there. Or rather, you come to India. In Andaman, there is one island where nobody can go. Only naked aborigines live there. Ask him what is. They will not allow you to go there. Government also will not allow you. You ask them what is world, what is New York Stock Exchange, what is currency, what is dollar. He is having his own world, each fellow. And among them also, each fellow is having his own world. Are you amazed? If you are not amazed, it simply means that you are asleep. Totally, you are in a deep sleep. That's also perfectly all right. You can continue in the sleep. But think about your world. What is that world? There is no world. It's all, it's like, torchlight. You see the world. Now again, I have got a very, very, very huge, distaste with those people who call themselves educated and, scientists, engineers. They are the most difficult fellows you can manage. Because they live in a closed mind. See, the knowledge is so huge. See, there is no limit to knowledge. What they do is just a small dot. It is just like, if there is a seashore, you have got one grain. In a seashore, you have got one grain. Even the highest scientist or highest knowledgeable person, I am including. What they got is only one small, sand, one, what do you call? And he will start behaving, oh, I am great, greatest of the great. He doesn't know anything. And as I told you, the highest position fellow president and the beggar and the highest knowledgeable person and the Amazon forest or Andaman forest fellow all are equal. There is no, they are all living in their own world. So, my dear, please examine your world. What is your world? How did you create? This also will give you some insight. Use it within that framework, present framework I was talking about. Anyway, I don't know. It is coming. And somehow, I am compelled to put. After every video, I used to think, no, hereafter I will not do. It's all nonsense. But it's coming and coming and coming and it's happening. I don't know. Please, excuse me. Sorry. Thank you.